Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to record your face and screen at the same time with Tella. We have the link to Tella in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this tutorial. You can see we're currently here on Tella.com, and at the top right corner you could choose to log in or sign up if it's your first time. We'll be taking you through the steps so you can do this from A to Z. Starting with the sign up, we're going to click on sign up. And right here, you get the chance to sign up using your first name, last name, and email. And then you can click and continue. We like the easy way, so we'll be going with Google. Continue with Google is what you'll need to click on if you want this option. Of course, you'll need to choose the Google account if you have multiple options. Click on continue to confirm your selection. Then, of course, with the welcome message, you'll need to choose what you want to do to help them improve your experience. So it's a drop down and you'll need to choose one. We're going to go ahead and click on creator, choose where you heard about this service. You choose YouTube. And if you have a team, you can go ahead and add your team members. But for now, I'm going to skip on this step. And of course, you could decide to start your 7-day free trial. And when we're done, we'll be seeing our dashboard. You can see on the left side your record button, your upload button after recording, and your welcome page, which is what we're finding here. And you can see my videos. This is where you'll be finding all your videos, and you have a playlist right here. If you want to upgrade, you can click on the upgrade button to have more features. But right away, we'll be clicking on record. Now, when you click on record, this is what you're going to see. But for the first time, you'll be seeing permission to record because you'll need to enable your microphone and camera. Then you'll need to select record, select, or upload, right? Because we want to record our face and screen at the same time, we have the record button right here. Then at the bottom, you have mute or unmute like you have on any video conferencing software, and then start your camera. But of course, you'll need to take note of these because if you want to record your face, you'll need to open your camera by clicking on this button after enabling your camera and microphone. Of course, when you're ready to have your recording, you can unmute and click on start camera. And then when that's done, you also have the option to start recording. There are more options right here, such as showing speaker notes, or if you need some help, you can click on support. But for now, we're going to click on enable camera and microphone. It says Tella needs permission to use your camera and microphone. We're going to say allow. Then at the top left corner of your browser will be asking the same question. So everyone needs permission from you. You'll need to go ahead and click on allow. And as you can see, we have our microphone unmuted and our camera is on. We have it blocked. So if this is your case, you'll be seeing yourself on the screen right here. And if you have multiple cameras, you have the drop-down option here. You can choose your Logitech webcam or your wide vision. Basically, these are the cameras ready and available on this computer. And of course, if you have multiple microphones, input devices, you can also choose them from here. So once you click on record, you can see it has started recording. So this is how you get to record your face and screen at the same time with Tella. Now, once you're done, you can click on the stop button for the recording, and you can see it stopped recording and it's saved. You can click on preview. You can see we recorded for 13 seconds, and when we play it, you can see it has started recording. Great. So that's what we said when we started recording. And of course, you don't need to mind the blank screen. In your case, your face will be showing, and this is how you get to record your face and screen at the same time with Tella. There are other options right here, which of course you could go ahead and explore yourself. But once you're done with this, you can click on download or click on share to send it to others or other team members. We hope this tutorial has been informative on how to record your face and screen at the same time. Don't forget to check the link to Tella in the description below, and do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.